Hey, and welcome to the AI Timeline channel. If you like the podcast, please leave a like and subscribe. Now have fun with the podcast. Ready for a deep dive into some serious AI tech today?
Always.
We're talking Microsoft's Copilot
Oh, yeah.
and how it's moving beyond just being an assistant to
Right.
becoming like a real program.
Full-blown programmer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got some new articles detailing how powerful it's becoming.
Really, really powerful stuff.
So buckle up. It's going to be fascinating.
Absolutely. I mean, the advancements we're seeing are mind-blowing.
Yeah.
It's making me, rethink what's even possible.
Right. Like we've all used Copilot, right?
Yeah.
It suggests lines of code, helps with emails.
Yeah. But by November,
Ew.
this thing's going to be able to create entire programs
Right.
on its own.
Just based on AI.
Based on AI.
Yeah,
So
actually-
even if you don't know anything about coding,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
theoretically create complex software.
Wow, that's crazy.
It's like having a personal software developer.
Right at your fingertips.
Yeah.
Imagine like a small business owner
Yeah.
who wants to build a customer management system.
Right?
They could just tell Copilot what they needed to do, like
Okay.
how to track their customer interactions or manage orders.
Yeah, like all the stuff.
Yeah, all that stuff.
All
Wow.
the nitty-gritty details, and then Copilot could just generate the code to make it happen.
That's insane. I did read about a marketing manager
No kidding.
who built their own system with zero coding experience.
Wow.
But it makes me wonder.
What happens to the programmers?
Yeah,
The traditional role of a programmer, right?
exactly.
I think that's a great question.
Yeah.
And honestly, it's one a lot of people are thinking about.
Right.
It's likely we'll see a shift in the types of programming jobs.
Makes sense.
Instead of just writing code,
Yeah.
programmers might take on more strategic roles.
Okay.
Designing complex AI systems or overseeing ethical implementation
Right. Yeah.
of these tools.
Which brings us to Copilot Studio.
Yes.
Where businesses can build their own AI
This
agents.
is incredible.
And what's fascinating is like
the possibilities.
the variety of what these agents can do.
It's mind-blowing.
We're not talking
The
here-
simple chatbots.
No.
No, not anymore.
so much more.
So much more.
Like what?
Okay, so imagine an AI agent
Yeah.
that handles customer service inquiries,
Good.
routes them to the right department,
Okay.
pulls up relevant customer data,
Got it.
and then schedules follow-up calls
Automatically.
autonomously.
Wow.
Yeah.
So there's like a whole team
Yeah.
of AI specialists.
Working behind the scenes.
Like
Are,
quick check.
are other companies seeing this kind of success?
Oh, absolutely. There are tons of examples of companies, across industries using AI agents and
Yeah.
achieving like incredible time savings
Yeah.
and boosts in productivity.
So
Tasks that once took hours
Yeah.
are now done in minutes.
okay, but this amazing tech has got to come at a price.
Well,
Right.
we know Microsoft 365 Copilot
Right.
costs like 28 euros a month
Per user. Yeah.
per user.
Per user.
So is Copilot Studio going to be realistic?
For smaller businesses?
Yeah.
Well, the good news is Copilot Studio is now in public preview.
Oh, okay.
So that means it's more accessible to businesses of all sizes.
Got it.
As for the cost,
Yeah.
you got to weigh the investment against the potential benefits.
Right.
Like, could it save you more than that 28 euros per user
Yeah.
in increased productivity and efficiency?
That's the question.
That's the question.
Like, what would you pay to have an AI
Right.
do your most tedious tasks?
Would you take the leap?
Yeah, would you?
That's a personal question.
It is.
For each person and business to consider.
But the possibilities are pretty enticing.
They are?
But it's not all sunshine and roses, right?
Right.
We got to talk about responsible AI development.
Oh, absolutely.
This is powerful stuff.
Powerful stuff.
And there are a lot of potential risks.
It's crucial to address the ethical implications.
Yeah.
Microsoft really emphasizes security,
Okay.
data protection,
Uh-huh.
and building in safeguards.
So these aren't just rogue AI running around.
No.
They have
no,
to follow rules.
They have to follow the rules.
Okay.
Think of it like
Okay.
every AI agent has a detailed instruction manual
Got it.
and a very specific operating environment.
Okay.
They can only do what they're programmed to do.
And they only have access to the data they're allowed to use.
Exactly.
Okay.
So, it's not as scary as it might sound.
Yeah, that makes me feel a bit better.
Yeah,
But it still feels like we're just scratching the surface here
I think so too.
of what these tools can do
Yeah.
and what the implications might be.
It's exciting, but also a little unsettling,
Oh,
right?
it is, yeah.
It's like, we're on the cusp of a technological revolution,
Yeah,
and it's important to have these conversations now
definitely.
as AI tools, like Copilot,
Yeah.
become even more sophisticated. We need to think carefully about how they'll shape our world.
And the way we live and work.
Exactly.
So much to think about. We went from AI assistants to autonomous programming,
It's a lot.
explored custom AI agents,
Yeah.
and even touched on responsible AI.
And for me, the biggest takeaway is
Yeah.
the future is happening right now.
It really is.
AI tools like Copilot are changing everything.
Yeah.
And it's up to us to figure out how to navigate this new landscape
Responsibly.
responsibly and thoughtfully.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Well,
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into Copilot.
absolutely.
It's a topic that's constantly evolving.
It is.
So stay curious
Yeah.
and keep exploring.
Absolutely. And if you liked what you heard today,
Yes.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
To the AI Timeline channel. And we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Thank you very much for listening. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.